Last year I was going by my car. The road was long. I had to drive the car for a long time. I had just walked a short distance when I met a girl on the way. The girl was standing in the middle of the road wearing the bride's clothes. I was driving the car very fast. I had seen that girl from a distance. Now I applied the brakes in my car. On my way to the girl, my car stopped. I got out of my car and said angrily to the girl, "You have no intelligence. You are standing in the middle of the road. What if you had an accident with my car?" The girl started crying loudly after listening to me. She said, "I don't want to live anymore." Saying this, she started crying again. I did it on the side of the road, gave water to drink. She drank the water and washed her mouth. Then I asked him, "Now tell me what happened to you." She said, "I used to love a boy. Today we were married, but that boy is already married to some other girl." When I heard this, I went crazy. Now I feel ashamed too. So I ran away from my house. I said, "Okay, but you shouldn't run away from your house like this." "Where is your house, by the way?" Her house was where I had to go for my work. I explained to him and said, "Let me explain to your family members." Then both of us left for that place by car. I fell in love with that girl at first sight, but she loved someone else. I explained a lot to her along the way. Now she was calming her mind and forgetting what had happened. In no time, we reached that girl's house. The girl's father met us on the way. I recognized them. He used to work in my company. We went to his house. His house was very small, like the house whenever it could fall. He told me that I had kept all my life's earning for the marriage of my girl child, but today all my money wasted. Now how will I able to marry my daughter? Tears welled up in his eyes saying this. I knew about them very well. He was quite honest. I could understand his sorrow. I thought, what should I do now? I didn't understand anything. After thinking for a while, I said, "If you consider me worthy of your girl, then I am ready for marriage." Both the girl and her parents were overjoyed, and all the relatives who were taunting their girl went quiet. What was then? I married that girl, and today I am very happy. One says God has already made and finished the bonds of love. We are just going to join him. Otherwise, this girl should meet that boy on the way and get married with him. This cannot be a coincidence.